Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you 3 simple steps to use TikTok on your PC. Whether you prefer the big screen or you are looking to create content more efficiently, this guide has got you covered. Let's get started. The first method is to use TikTok's website. Open your web browser and go to TikTok's official website at tiktok.com. Hit that enter button. From here, you can browse TikTok videos, explore trends, and even log in into your account. Just remember that some features like video creation may be limited compared to the mobile app. The second method involves using Android emulators such as BlueStack or Nox Player. These emulators allow you to run Android apps including TikTok on your PC. Download and install your preferred emulator, launch it, and then access the Google Play Store within the emulator. Search for TikTok, install it, and use it as if you were on mobile device. The final method is if you are using Windows 11, there is a built-in way to use TikTok. Click the widget button in your taskbar and you will find the TikTok widget. Click on it and you can browse TikTok content without any additional downloads. And there you have it. 3 ways to enjoy TikTok on your PC. Whether you prefer using official website, Android emulators, or Windows 11 widget, you can now explore TikTok on a larger screen and even create content with ease. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.